now I think we should request Dr. Brigadier B.K. Khanna to consolidate the today's proceedings and uh, have a concluding and thank you note for everybody. Brigadier Khanna has served the Indian Army for a very long period. Even in Sri Lanka, he has led the complete his command there, and he is now CEO of Arise India. Arise is a UN wing working on disaster management, and he is the honorary director of IRD also, and he has been the senior capacity building specialist of National Disaster Management Authority as well. So he has been working with the various organizations of international repute and advising and guiding them for their meaningful and strategic initiatives. So over to you, Brigadier Saab. Thank you very much for today's participation.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Sharma. And it's my privilege to wrap up. I don't know, in fact, the time is a little more than what we had stipulated earlier. But nonetheless, of course, let me thank all the people who have come here, all the speakers who are here, all our honored guests which are here, as well as also the intern. And the second point is about what is the takeaway from this webinar. Those are the 2 points on which I've been asked, in fact, to say. Let us, in fact, first say what is the takeaway from here. As some of the speakers have already mentioned about it, that every disaster, in fact, must be converted into a opportunity. And this opportunity comes your way with whatever it may be, whatever the bigger disaster will be there only. If you see here, in fact, the COVID has devastated the economy, not only the economy, but the way of our working, the way of our, in fact, how we're going to deal with it. If you see here, there's a lot of suspicion. When we are going to meet our own relation, we see, in fact, speak to us, speak a little distance or something, which we never do it. I mean, earlier we used to, in fact, the make it कि चलो ठीक है, एक दूसरे से अच्छी तरह से मिलना है, एक दूसरे मिलना है रखने के लिए, एक दूसरे रिस्पेक्ट करनी है, बट नाउ जैसे नहीं, थोड़ा दूर रखना है. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल इट न्यू नॉर्मल. आई थिंक वी हैव टू लिव विद इट. So this is in addition to whatever the damages which the COVID has done it, which of course Professor Sharma was also mentioning it, that not only the COVID but the multiple disasters which in fact we have been facing. We face, of course, the two major the cyclones in between only. In fact, a major the fire which took place is some of the one of the belts there in Assam. And any number of buildings which have fallen down. Now about 8 to 9, of course, the states are under flood. When the pandemic is still going on, and this is going to be the trend till such time we have the vaccines only. A word about the vaccine, of course. Let me also tell it. I had in fact opportunity of speaking to one of the owners of the Bharat Biotech. He is the Mr. Krishna Ille, and he's the one. Of course, the vaccine is being tried out, is under trial in, I think, 11 places or something. And this vaccine, I had a detailed talk with him, and he was talking about to us that this vaccine is going to be, I mean, sorry, Satnam, because he was saying it's going to be better than what the Oxford is going to have it only. So we are going to feel very privileged with it, that yes, we will soon have it only, unless there is some hurdles, I think, by the end of this year. Because as he was saying it's not difficult to mass produce as far as the vaccine is concerned. India is capable of doing that, and we have been doing it, as somebody was also mentioning it. 60 to 70, rather, which was mentioning about it, 60 to 70% of our vaccine is being produced, world vaccine is being produced in India. So production is not a problem. Even if in the case of the vaccine which is being produced, invented rather in the Oxford is going to be produced in India. It's going to partly produce or mostly produced going to be in India. So that the opportunity we're going to get it at this thing. So we must grab it. And it is in this particular direction only. Of course, we in the IRD also have taken certain initiative, but they are small steps which we have taken it. But this small step we are going to make it into a big leap, and that leap can come only with in case with the support and help and the assistance from all our other, whether they're in the national or the international the promoters who are going to be there to help us in fact bring it better. We already have a project which is known as the Ruralizing India, Empowering Villages, and which is the one which is recognized internationally. I have in fact mentioned about this internationally at 3-4 times. Even last time in Geneva too also that, and it has been very well appreciated also. That hopefully I think not only we will be able to going to spread it this thing which is going to give us employment only, and reverse migration from the cities back to the villages. So those are the two major takeaway from there. They say that the REIV is going to produce the opportunities for the people so that the people can come back to their the home, and as also of course giving them the opportunity, and secondly of course the cities will become more smarter. The second the point which I wanted to share with is that giving the encouragement to the young. Now we have got about 250 interns there only, and I would only recommend it to them. This thing that you are the one who should be courageous enough to set up your own in fact startups as such, and those startup is the one and get not only by giving get employment for yourself, but have a startup for you where you can also give the employment to the others also. Opportunity will be there. IID itself will be able to help you out on the in fact in that particular direction, provided of course you have got the courage as something. Also will help the request the others also who are honored guests who are there only. So please, of course, encourage these youngsters who are there who have joined us as an intern. Thirdly, as they say that government alone cannot revive the economy. Economy is badly hurt. Genevieve was also mentioning about it that 5% I think going to be in the minus. This is the first time I think going to be minus after a very very long time. This kind of so, and which alone government, if you think that they'll be able to revive it also, I'm sorry if that is not the case. We all, every stakeholder has to chip in this thing to bring it back to the rails as such. And thirdly, of course, which in fact the rather than the next one, which the Professor Upadhyay was also mentioning about it there about the fish tank. But I would put it the other way also, that we should give a person some sort of skill. You give a person money, he'll spend it today, may be able to spend it for 1 month. But if you're given him a skill, you're given him a livelihood, you're given him, of course, the opportunity for the whole life. And that is what, of course, we in the IRD have been doing it there. And that is here, of course, we are going to promote it further. Pan-India, as also there will be requesting the various people. I'm going to come and when I thank each and every speaker, this and that what we are expecting from them. And I only hope this will on this webinar, of course, will give encouragement to some of those the genuine philanthropists as well as the industry to support this initiative of the IRD generously to in turn, of course, help the India, of course, revive its economy. I would request, one by one, rather Deepak ji, to as well as, of course, his number 2, Sandeep Saxena Singh, to give this particular thing a wider publicity. You have got a approach all over the India, and so that the more and more people will come to know about it. Of course, we have got the Green TV also, that this particular thing must go all over India so that the people know it, what is being done in the IID, so that they can come, get informed, and if they like it, they will join it. And I am hopeful that they will do. I would also request, of course, Mr. Kamalji, of course, He is like we are. I'm the CEO of the Arise India. Of course, he is there. Of course, the head as far as the UN Global Compact is there or something. That yes, both from the Arise India as also from the Global Compact. Let us support this particular initiative of the IRD and bring it not only pan India and but also in the international era also. Dr. Satnam, Dr. This is so nice of you to come from this thing from UK and then be with us. And you are the global goodwill ambassador, and we are sure that you would spread this word and help us in the sustenance of this project, and which you have already very kindly agreed to it. We will come back to you. We'll be come back to you, as I said. I have had a word of a couple of the other speakers who were not able to come. In fact, I had a word with Mr. Narkar Saxena and so also Mr. Anthony Mir as well as Yash Patel, and that they would be providing the help from their side, from the industry side also, as also from the entrepreneurship, especially some of the projects which we have taken it up in Himachal Pradesh in the agriculture field. We are going to have help from Anthony Mir at something. Professor Sharma, sir, in fact, in fact, you asked me, you are my disaster management guru also. You are the one who brought me into the disaster management. And you are not only holding a very important position as the vice chairman of the Sikkim Disaster Management also, disaster management, Sikkim State Disaster Management Authority, but you are got a lot of connections all over the world. And I'm sure, of course, if you have appreciated this initiative, I am sure you will going to spread it and promote it relentlessly in all your contexts also, which we will be very well help to us. And as far as Ranik is concerned, of course, we have recently known each other. This thing, and he is a young man. He is a very, in fact, talented person, and he is the one, of course, who has in fact, started up RICA India in India, request also, and from with Arise India as well as with the IRD, we are going to work with them and take this initiative forward. And in the end, of course, the 3-4 things which have the speakers have said, we have taken note of it, that we're going to make a model of it so that we can produce it to the government so that they can, in fact, extend the help to us. And as well as the Ranit, which he has made some very good suggestions from the academic point of view or something, we will take note of it. And in the end, of course, I would also like to thank Dr. Sharma. He's again a young chap. Of course, he's the one who has brought up this IRD right from the beginning up to what level he has there only. And I'm sure he has got a lot of ideas, lot of vision. And with his, of course, this thing, so the IRD is going to go quite high. And lastly, to all those 250 young entrepreneurs, be very rest assured that you are in the safe hand as far as the IRD concerned. Learn as much as you can so that you can take the skills from here and start up your own or get good employment wherever you can. And also in our own initiatives, you get some jobs, will be good enough. And lastly, to the Green TV, thank you very much for, in fact, helping us in organizing it, in fact, in a broadcasting manner, and really thankful to you. And in the end, the whole team, the background, in fact, the workers who are there, led by none else than, I think, Mrs. Sushma Sharma ji, of course, the other, the team. She is the one who's heading the team. This thing, and thank you very much, the complete team of IRD for doing all this good work. Thank you a lot once again. Thank you very much. Over to you, Dr. Sharma. Very good.
Sir, many thanks to you for have this nice concluding and expressing our organization's gratitude to all our speakers, volunteers, operation team, and the viewers. Thank you very much for keeping on guiding the spirit of the efforts of our team time and again, as and when any specific strategic concerns are needed. We always are blessed to have your guidance and kindly inspirations from you and Madam both. Thank you very much for today this warm concluding, sir.